Hey guys, what's up? I figured that doing a voiceover here can explain this video better. So, during this game, I got a call from my friend right at this move. Right here. Note the time. After the call, I only had 33.5 seconds left. The position is perfectly equal, but I was down in time. However, I decided to play on because I literally did not care at all if my opponent flagged me, if you know what I mean. Now I'll show you the endgame, which ended up pretty intense. Four seconds left. 2 seconds left. 0.8 seconds left. At this moment, I thought I've lost the game, but then my opponent blundered. Now I had a checkmate in 3. With less than only 1 second left, I pre-moved 3 times in a row and checkmated my opponent. I will show you the real-time moves. I really hope you enjoy this video. This is my first time and might be my last time doing voiceover. Please help me to like and share this video and subscribe to my channel. Have a great day and stay safe. See you in the next one.